This is a quick video showing you how to schedule and access Writing Center appointments. We're starting off at the PSU Writing Center website, which is at pdx.edu/writing-center. You can also get there by going to PSU's main page and searching Writing Center will be the first result. Once you're here, you'll want to click on Schedule an Appointment. If you haven't scheduled with us before, you'll need to register for an account. So you'll click the link Register for an Account. Enter your email address, first and last name, your standing, and then the rest of the fields here are optional. You can give us your major, student ID if you like, but you'll need to type in a password you can remember. Then complete your registration, and it'll return you to the login screen. Once here, you can log in. And you'll be able to see the schedule for 2 weeks out from a given day. Now it shows you here that you have 3 options for different kinds of appointments. The first is with tutors who are stationed in Kramer Hall 188, so you'll see CH 188 : and then a name. The second is the library outpost. In your view of the schedule, these boxes will be gray. That's because you can't schedule appointments in advance at the outpost. The tutor will put out a sign-up sheet at 10 a.m. when they arrive. And again, that's on the second floor of the PSU library. It's right next to the Learning Center up there. And then finally, you can also schedule with our online consultants, who are the same consultants who work in Kramer Hall, but they're working remotely. So there's online consultant 1 and 2 here. If you're wanting to schedule in Kramer, you would click on, say, the noon appointment here with Hannah, and a pop-up window will show up where you can enter information about your appointment. If it doesn't show up, it's likely that you have double-clicked and it's hiding behind your main browser window. So you'll want to enter course, instructor, and what you would like to work on today. If it's not for a class, you can enter NA in either of these fields. It's perfectly all right. You also can upload, say, an assignment sheet or the piece of writing you're wanting to work on down here. And then once you're satisfied, you can also, one more thing, extend your appointment to up to an hour. You get 90 minutes of appointment time each week, but the maximum appointment length is 1 hour. So once you've done all that, you hit Create an Appointment. And then you'll see in gold, there's your appointment. Now, if it turns out you wake up in the morning and you have a sore throat, or you just can't make it to campus that day, you can edit your appointment and shift it online. And that's, you see this box here says Meet Online. You would click Yes, Schedule Online Appointment, and then you'll save your changes. And your appointment is now an online appointment. For appointments in Kramer Hall, room 188, just show up to Kramer about 5 minutes early. For online appointments, again, you'll want to log on to the schedule about 5 minutes beforehand. Click on your appointment the same way you scheduled it, and then you'll click this link, Start or Join Online Consultation. Once you do that, it opens the tutoring interface, and it'll have audio and video in the upper left here. You can, if you don't want to use your camera or your microphone, you can mute it from inside the interface. It's best to permit camera and mic access, though, on your browser and on your computer. It just causes fewer problems with the interface. But if you're not wanting to use them, you can always mute them from in here. And then you can paste in any text you're wanting to work on the whiteboard here in the middle of the screen. And if you'd like to communicate via the chat box, it's the lower right here, and you can type in any messages to your writing consultant there. So that's the online interface. It works the same way whether you've scheduled an online appointment with one of our in-person consultants in Kramer Hall, or if you've scheduled with an online consultant. So again, if you'd want to schedule with online consultant number 2 at 2 p.m., click on the box once, enter your information, create the appointment, and then when it's time, when 2 o'clock rolls around, you log back onto the schedule, click on your appointment, and once again you can enter the interface by clicking on Start or Join Online consultation.